maging laman ng blind item na di umano'y nag-agaw buhay dahil sa matinding pag-aaway nila ng First Lady, makikita ang Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sakay ng helicopter habang kausap ng isang reporter. Dito tinanong ang Pangulo kung ano ang masasabi niya nang humingi ng tawad si VP Sara sa mga taga-KOJC sa paghikayat sa mga ito na iboto siya. Ito naman ay sinagot ng Pangulo. Panoorin po natin ang video ito.
Apologize sa mga KOJC members for asking them to vote for you.
Well, it's a prerogative. I still don't understand why, but that is her wish. Wala tayong magtanong.
So wala na ho, wala na kayong communication ng Vice President?
No, not at all. Not at all. The last time I spoke to her was when she handed me her resignation. And we haven't spoken since.
And then yung ano po, yung sabi nila lagi, this is all politicking. Yung mga lumalabas po na investigasyon, there's even a threat of impeachment against the Vice President. Ito daw po ay pamumulitika.
I don't know where all of what had come up. This is a budget hearing. Well, hindi naman pinag-usapan naman. This is something that every single government agency has to do. So it's a hearing. There's no politics in it. We do it every year. We do it with the same department. We do it. That process is well established and it has nothing to do with politics. It has to do with the budget. So I don't know how she can characterize these things, which is essentially an information gathering exercise for the House and for the Senate, so that they know what the budget will look like. So there's malayo sa politika yun.
Mr. President, thank you. Thank you.